Welcome. In this quick and updated tutorial, we're going to learn how to enable the Send Helpful Tips for Server Setup feature in Discord. This simple option can make managing your server much easier by giving you helpful prompts and reminders as you refine your setup. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with the account that manages the server you want to adjust. Once you're in, head to your server list on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, select the server you want to work on. At the top of your Discord window, tap the server's name to open the drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to all of your server settings and customization options. From there, choose Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several different tabs for categories like members, roles, channels, and integrations. For now, we're only focusing on one, Overview. Tap or click on the Overview tab to open it. Once you're inside the overview page, scroll down until you find the System Messages Settings section. This is where Discord controls what kinds of automatic messages and updates are shown in your server. Here you'll see the option labeled Send Helpful Tips for Server Setup. Simply toggle this on. When this feature is enabled, Discord will automatically share tips and suggestions to help you finish your server setup and discover useful features you might have missed. It's a great way to make sure your server is properly configured, especially if it's new or still under construction. After toggling the switch to turn this feature on, scroll to the bottom and tap Save to confirm your changes. That's it.